Good morning. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous day. I'm out for a little walk in a natural park. Beautiful native plants. So I wanted to speak about how nature can help settle the nervous system of us highly sensitive folks. Think of the places and things that you've done that make you really, really, really happy. How about lying on your back in the late winter and looking at the stars? How about walking on the beach, South Beach, on the Strait of Juan de Fuca, and seeing it absolute flat and calm? How about watching Mount Baker from the air as I flew from Vancouver down to PV and seeing this gorgeous mountain that I can see from many, many different areas? I love the wide bowl of the blue sky. I love how it opens up vistas, just allows me to see. It airs out my brain, my whole soul feels solace and makes me feel like it's a great day to be alive. I hope nature does that for you. So, like, subscribe, come and see me again. You have a grand day.